How to make wheelie on with scooter. Now you got a wheelie scooter. I'm gonna show this on my friend. I forgot I don't have a friend. So this is how you make a wheelie on scooter. But don't click this one. The jump. Don't go jump, because if you go jump, your hack will gone. You'll need to do that again. Wait. Wait, where's the book in here? What is that, bro? Oh my god, what's that? Oh my god. Oh, it's just a battery on my scooter.